it's Caleb, and today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Ukarms G10 full metal airsoft gun. So, yeah, let's just go over the box real quick. Nothing serious, just picture of the gun, some warnings, how to, instructions and stuff on the back. Sorry, I have a runny nose today. Anyway, let's get into the gun. Where are we? Hold on, guys. Okay, I'm back. There we go. The tape is cut. Let's flip this back over. Whoa! Okay. Let's just go over the other stuff first. This is just a instruction manual. Next we have this. It just says bullet, BB bullet, 6mm BB bullet, used for model gun, and then some of these. Now these are kind of cheap BBs, warning, but you can use them if you want. Or just put them back. Okay, let's get to the pistol. Oh, wow, this is my favorite pistol now. Hold on. Okay. This is what the gun looks like while it's being primed. That's what it looks like when it is primed. It has a hammer that does not move. But it still is a metal hammer. Anyway, it has a skeleton trigger. A mag release is right here. Well, there's the magazine. I honestly did not mean to do that. So yeah, let's listen to how loud this is. Oh yeah, and it has great iron sights if you can even aim down. There we go. That's pretty loud. Not gonna lie. So where the jam door would be is realistic. Yeah. I just overall love this gun. Pew, pew, pew. Sorry. Anyway. Yeah. I think this is modeled after Sig Sauer 1911, but I'm not positive. Anyway. I don't know why they made that full orange. But, yeah. Sorry, that's loud, but yeah. Anyway, yeah, this is a really great gun. It only ran me about, I think, like 10 or 12 bucks. So, yeah, if you see it anywhere, you should buy it. So, yeah. Bye, guys.